How to create and set up a YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to actually create and set up a YouTube channel, a faceless channel, a real channel with your face, any kind of channel, YouTube. I'll be teaching you how to do that. So a lot of people always ask me how to actually set up a YouTube channel or how to do this in my comment section. I will teach you how to do that. And if you already have a channel, old channel that you're already using, but you've not input these settings into your channel, please watch this video. You don't need to delete the channel. Just watch this video and go to your studio and input all these settings that I'll be teaching you on how to do today, how to add in SEOs into your channel, everything that you need, everything that your channel actually needs for your channel to grow and trend. I'll be teaching you how to do that. So many people always say, I create YouTube videos, but I don't have any views. I don't have nobody watching, maybe just 1 view or 2 view. Yeah, because you did not set your channel up to tax. YouTube is a big market and a lot of people are actually creating videos. So if you don't set up your YouTube channel to be able to match up, trend, catch up SEOs, hashtag, searches here and there, bro, you will drop videos and these videos will go nowhere. So let me teach you how to actually get that YouTube channel that you actually need to trend and monetize here on social media. So let's go. Let me teach you. And don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you, or the next kind of video you want me to help you create. So I'll get to YouTube now. So you start like this. If you open a new email and you take that email and you just go on YouTube, you might find your page like this. For some people who have been using their YouTube channel to just watch random videos, you have it like this. But if not, down here where you see home, short, the plus, subscribe, and you, where you see you click on you, okay? Once you click on you, this page will appear. Now, on this particular page, this is actually where you have Switch account, Google account, and all that. Under this name here, you can actually see create account, create channel, okay? Now, if you have 2 emails or you have different emails logged into your phone or your laptop, maybe this email actually up here is not the one that you want to use in creating your account. So you just click on this switch account and then it automatically leads you to the other email that you want to use in creating your account, okay? You see where it says under the name, you see create channel, all right? Now, you click there where it says create channel, it will open this page. Now, once you open this page here, you have to fill in this page, okay? Here it says change your photo or take a photo. So there you just have to click where it says change your photo. You just have to click. You go to your gallery and put it there, okay? Which means this will actually be your profile picture for your channel, right? So you put that as your profile picture. Now where it says name, you click there because the name that your email is using is not the same name you might be using on your YouTube channel. But if it's the same name you want to use, then it's okay. Now you click on the pen beside and then you change your name, story with Mel. So that's what I'll pick, okay? I'll click on that. Story with Mel will be the name. Then I come down here where it says your handle. So automatically it just gave me the handle story with Mel, okay? But if you do not want to use this particular one, you can change because you see the added story with Mel and then something at the end like the /S9C. But that is not what I want because I don't know that. So if they add something to your name that you don't know, it's better to fix it to something you know. So apparently somebody has already taken that name. So I'll just add 27 behind it to make it mine, okay? Somebody has taken that as well. So let's say I'll add 27, like double 27. Okay, now this is save. All right, so this is how you finally know that nobody is using your YouTube name. Okay, then you click on save. Now once you save this, you click now where it says create channel. Okay, once you click on create channel, you do this same movement on your laptop or your phone. You get? So it's the same thing, your laptop or your phone. You get? So yeah, now it tells me that this channel does not exist. Well, that's what it just says because we are not done setting it up. You get? So here where it says the X again, down where you see your profile, you click on it. Now it will bring you here again, So yeah, you can actually see now that it's added your name, your profile picture and everything. Now they'll tell you to view your channel, okay? You click under your name again where it says view your channel. Click under the name, then you bring it here. Now this is where the work starts, okay? Now it has analytics and all that. You have to click on edit channel, okay? Once you click on edit channel, click on edit your channel. Now you need to fill in these particular ones. Here, this is another ball game, okay? Now for your channel, but you need your cover page. Now, most of the times, cover page, when you're using a phone, it doesn't sit well, but you can actually use a laptop and go to your studio, which I'll teach you step by step. I'll show you this later now, okay? But you just click on photo again, then you take from your gallery. But if you already have your image banner that you've already decorated, maybe from Canva or from ChatGPT, you can actually input it there and it will be good without any problem. So down here where it says description, this is where the trouble starts. Description. This is work for you, okay? So let's say I'll go back to ChatGPT, all right? You don't need the paid ChatGPT to do this to get a description for your page. So I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll open my ChatGPT to get a description for my page. Start by, I want to start my YouTube channel. And my niche is AI storytelling. Please give me a description that is best for my channel to help my channel grow and make my channel visible. Sorry, a description for my bio. So I'll say a description for my bio. Don't forget to always include that. So I'll click here and to generate. And then I'll wait for our description to generate. Do you get? So now they said, this is it. Welcome to my AI storytelling channel. I create cinematic AI generated stories. So I'll come here and I'll copy this. All right. You copy this. So where it says new video weekly, subscribe and escape into AI power story. All right. So I'll click there and copy that. Actually add, we'll go back. I'll go back to the YouTube. And that's the first description I'll paste. I'll just paste it there. And then I'll go back to ChatGPT and go back to the algorithm part where it talked about algorithm, which is the section 4. Okay, story videos, AI short films, fantastic horror movies and all that. Then I'll copy this one. Okay, I'll copy it from there, just from this place. Come here and I'll just paste this particular AI story. So I'll go back and I copy the keywords that they gave us here. So channel keywords, settings, that's it. I'll copy this particular one. Okay. Yeah. Now I'll go back and I'll add this also in my description. Okay. Click on return, just a little bit down, and then you add the keyword. So you have this in your description, your bio. So you see your bio is not too choked. Your bio is not complicated. Your bio is just something that when somebody just come online and they type AI story, it falls on your channel. Okay. And then you click on save. So once we've clicked save, we've saved our description. So when we are done with this now, let's go to add in our keywords, which means we are going in for the keywords, for the SEOs, for the tags and all that, what's going to help our channel more. So let's go to our YouTube studio and finish the setup, okay? So at this point, you get to your YouTube studio. So this is your YouTube studio and this is how it looks like, okay? This is the most important part when it comes to like arranging your channel, okay? So now once you get here, you have dashboard, content, analytics, community and all that. Let's just go down here to customize. You click on customize, okay? Once you click on customize, you come down here. You see, this is where you actually now add up your banner photo, okay? If you have your banner photo ready, just click here and upload your banner photo and you're good to go. So you can see that my profile picture is still there and is good. So the next thing you need to come down here. Down here, you see like link, add a link here. So you can actually just copy like your TikTok link, your Instagram link, your Telegram channel link and just add it here, okay? You can just add here just to share, let it be on your profile at all. If somebody is looking for you or somebody wants to get to you fast, they can get to you through this. Now, the next one is your email. Just add in your email here for brand deals in case you grow and, you know, people start writing you and searching for deals. This is where you actually get your email. Now, after this, the next step, which is the most important, is this one, how to customize your channel. Here, settings, you click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, it opens here. This is what you don't want to lose on this particular one because this actually helps your channel a lot. So here on this place, you see general. When you click on general, just forget about this particular money thing. Leave it there. Don't touch it. So where you see general, if you click on channel, you open your channel like this. So this is your channel, right? Mind you, this is YouTube Studio. You've moved from the YouTube page to the YouTube Studio, okay? Now, once you get to channel, if you click on here, country of origin or resident, You can click and add in if you want to, but then again, YouTube will always find out where you're at. Now, this is the one that I'm talking about. Add in keywords. Okay, you see this particular one, add in keywords. If you don't add in keywords, your channel is dead and gone. Okay, so how to add in your keywords for your channel? Again, like we did, you go to ChatGPT and you get here on ChatGPT and you still type ChatGPT. Okay, so I actually got to ChatGPT, and what I asked ChatGPT to do is I said I started a new channel and my channel niche is storytelling, AI storytelling. Okay, give me keywords, hashtag SEOs to help my channel get visibility, trend and grow fast in my niche. So this is what I actually asked for from ChatGPT. You can see that is ChatGPT, and after typing that, you just need to click here on generate, and then you wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. Okay, so once ChatGPT do their magic, they use this in channel description, video title, video description, tags. All right, these are the things like best keywords for AI storytelling. Okay, and now these are the things that you put in as your channel description keywords. So these are your keywords right here. All right, so these keywords, how it works is you actually need to copy them. There might be a lot, but there is a lot of work to be done here. Okay, now on ChatGPT, you can only copy one after each to post it on your YouTube channel. So let's say I copy this. Okay, copy, then I go to my YouTube channel, I go to keywords, then I add that in. Okay, you come to your channel, then you click and add this in. So we have this, you see, first is storytelling. That's it there, it is settled. You go back, you click the second one. So you cannot input all this. You cannot copy all at once. It's not possible to copy all at once. You can only copy one after another. So yeah, you bring it here. You put the second one in again. So like this is how you put all these keywords. So you copy all these keywords one after each. Then you put them in there. Okay. So yeah, this is just to show you because I don't want the video to be long. So after doing that, you come here. So you actually got the core keywords. These are the viral ones. Okay. Horror story. Now, this is to actually give you a glimpse of the kind of story for you to create, right? So these are the viral and trendy ones based on your keywords. This, you have horror stories, you have bedtime stories, okay? You have horror stories, bedtime stories, fantasy, love stories, motivational stories, dark stories, like I always tell you guys, thriller stories, okay? So this, you copy them again, one after each. You still put them under the keywords as well. When you're done putting them under the keywords, you come here where it says YouTube Shorts. So if you know you'll be uploading YouTube Shorts, copy this as well and add, because what people are searching for YouTube Short is this, and what people are searching for trending videos is this one, and then what people are actually searching on YouTube like just a must use. So this one like must use, okay? So yeah, you copy all these ones and then you add them in. This is your YouTube, right? You add everything in here. Next important part as well, where you add your hashtags. You come here, upload default, okay? You come here. Now here you actually find title. Yes, you actually add your title only when you want to upload. You have description, you add only when you want to upload. But once you come down a little bit, just come down. Here you see tag, okay? You see here, tag, down here. You go now to ChatGPT. Then they gave us our hashtags, okay? Now these are our hashtags right here. Once you come to ChatGPT and you have your keywords, right down under keywords, you have your hashtags, okay? Now you click here and you copy your hashtags as well. Same thing you do, you copy your hashtags and then you go to your story and then you come here and you put your hashtags. Now there is something, let's just put this hashtag and then let me give you guys this secret. Now with these hashtags here, this particular place of hashtags, yeah, what I personally do is I add those hashtags, and after adding those hashtags, I look for trendy YouTube channels in my niche. Those YouTube channels that have millions of views, okay? Millions and millions of views and millions of subscribers. Look for their names and tag them here. It is not a crime. Trust me, it is not a crime and it's not copyright because you're not doing anything. You just tag them here. So each time somebody finish watching those people's videos, automatically it will recommend your videos. That is a secret I'm giving you. Once somebody is done watching their videos, it automatically recommends your videos. So if somebody actually search for them, if their page is not popping up, your page is popping up. Or if their page is popping up, yours is popping up under their page as well. Yeah, maximum 4. Okay, don't tag more than 4 different pages. After that, you have audio library. For those of you who like to use music, this is where you come and get music to use without copyright. Here you come here, you click on download, and you download this music. Then you can use them into your videos. If you cannot do without music, you can always come here and take any of this music. It's actually copyright free. I just said create me a thumbnail. I know thumbnail is a little bit hard for a lot of people, so this is the easy way. You come to ChatGPT and you say create me a thumbnail for my story title Baby Witch. Okay, so that's God, I beg you. What else can make somebody scroll and pass this kind of a video? Tell me, what can make somebody scroll and pass this kind of a thumbnail? It is not possible. You know, it is not possible. Even if, bro, you cannot scroll and pass this kind of thumbnail. Never, ever, ever. So you see, these are catchy thumbnails for your story. If you actually want to start creating your stories, you're here. Okay, so yeah, bye guys. Let me know the next video you want me to help you create, or the next AI tool you want me to review for you. Bye bye.